Okay guys, I got it. Powertune dash. I'm gonna open this. I don't know. Box seems in good condition, knowing how far it traveled. Let's see. I'm clearly struggling to open it. Instructions. It's always good. GPS. I guess wires, and last but not least, the dash. Okay, not bad. Packaging, not bad either. So I would have to test fit it to see how it looks on the dash, but that's it. Here you go. Here's an idea. Oh well, here's how it's gonna look. But I only have one problem. I haven't even installed the product yet, so I'm not judging the product itself. This is just so you know, don't worry about this, guys. I'm gonna grind this out and clean it, paint it, and make it nice. But my only problem with the Powertune digital is, unless before I start talking, as you guys can see, this is the instructions. It tells you, right? The instructions, 2-page. They did not, and I repeat, did not provide a template. They didn't provide a template. And as you can see, if you look at the back of this product, you are realistically trying to use these mounting holes right here. They should have provided a template. This seems to be 3D printed, which again, I'm not mad at it. But the template part is very important to people who want to integrate this dash somewhere, or, you know, try to make it look as OEM as possible wherever they're installing their Powertune digital dash at. So, Powertune, if you ever run into this video, I'm not, you know, down talking the product, but you guys have to provide a template. The template would really help. This way I would have just, you know, traced the template out here, cut it out nice and neat, clean it, and then boom, it will go. Now I have to waste time in creating my own template with paper, and I don't know how I'm gonna get around that. But yeah, that's my only problem.